The Hyderabad Meteorological Center has forecast light to moderate rains in parts of Telangana over the next 5 days. Gusty winds with speeds of 30 to 40 kmph are also expected during this period. In Hyderabad and surrounding areas, the sky will remain partly cloudy today. There is a chance of light to moderate rain and thunder showers in some parts of the city.
Follow us for more news updates.